Hi friends, welcome. Today we are talking about spring cleaning and I'm sharing my favorite dollar store cleaning products with you. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered if dollar store cleaning products will live up to the brand names? Well, today I am testing a ton for you and I'm going to let you know whether you should pass or add it to your stash. Now, I love a clean home, but I hate spending a lot of money on cleaning products that I'm literally going to flush down the drain or throw away. So today we are going to tackle counters, floors, mirrors, sinks, and washing machines, putting all these cleaning products to the test so you can get more bang for your buck. Let's start off with a product from the Dollar General. This is an ultra dish spray and I am a lover of the Dawn Power Wash. Now I love this stuff. I pick it up when it goes on sale at places like Costco and Sam's Club, but it's pricey. So this is just $1 from Dollar General and I had to put these side by side in my sink to give a look at the clean. So first impressions, obviously it's a spray bottle. It is not an aerosol like the Power Wash, so it does not go on as smoothly. But once I had it in my sink and I gave my sink a really good scrub, I have to tell you guys, I am super impressed. Now, I think it smells better than the Dawn Power Wash. I also think that it cleans equally as well. And the only critique I have of it, if I had one, would be that it doesn't come in aerosol. Now, it did seem to cut through grease and dirt just as well as the Power Wash, and I can always save that empty Power Wash bottle and add in this cleaner from the Dollar General that was only $1. I have to give it 5 stars. Highly recommend. This is definitely something to add to your cleaning stash. On to the next one, and this one is a countertop cleaner by the Totally Awesome brand, and this can actually be purchased at both Dollar Tree and Dollar General, although you'll pay more for it at Dollar Tree. Now, if your house is like ours, it is a busy kitchen. We have 5 adults in our home and someone's always in the kitchen preparing food and eating. So I like to keep my counters nice and clean. Now this is a degreaser and it does a great job on that. Beyond that, it has a fabulous scent and it gives a really nice shine. Now I do have white quartz countertops and I was a little afraid of the pink color, but I have seen no staining and this is already part of my stash. This is something you should definitely try and pick up. Next up, mirrors. We've got them in our bathrooms, in our bedrooms, and I'm always on the hunt for a good, quick glass cleaner that is streak-free and doesn't break the bank. And I found these wipes at Dollar General for just $1, and I thought this would be a great solution to pick one up for each bathroom for any kind of quick cleanups. So here's my honest review. They are so wet. They left a film on the mirror and I had to actually go get some paper towels to dry it off. So that didn't save me any work at all. So next time I'm in Dollar General, I'm going to pass on those. So let's try out a few other of their glass cleaners you can find at Dollar General and Dollar Tree. The two on the right are from Dollar Tree. The Scrub Free is actually from Dollar General and I've never used it before. So I've got a dirty mirror in my master bath and I'm going to try all 3 side by side so that I can see what I like and what I don't about each of them. Now the one in the middle from the Home Store brand from Dollar Tree, I have been using for years and years and years. And I thought nothing could beat it, but I have to tell you, I am a little surprised. I did not like the way it sprayed compared to the one by Scrub Free from Dollar General that is actually cheaper, and I think that this one is my new favorite from Dollar General for just $1. You couldn't beat it. It cleaned as good as the others, it went on smoother, and I like the scent. So that's something I'm definitely going to be adding to my stash. Now another product you can find at both Dollar General and Dollar Tree are these little scrubbers. The lid twists off and you can add your dish liquid to the top, twist it back on, and then push on the top to dispense any soap while you're cleaning. Now most people use these in their kitchens and I do as well. However, I like to keep one of these in each of our bathrooms for quick cleanups. I use them not only in the sink, but on my countertops, and the dish liquid in them just makes it a 2-in-1. We've got a tool and a cleaner in one. This is something you should definitely add to your stash if you don't already use them in your bathrooms or anywhere you have a sink. Now, I have a little stubborn stain here in the bottom of my sink. It's actually from a product that we used to stop bleeding on my dog's paw when I was clipping his nails. And I've been wanting to try this cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It is a cleaning paste and says it's tough on stains. I'm wondering if it could be a dupe for the Power Paste by Scrub Daddy. So I took an old cleaning toothbrush and I actually went in first at a stain in the back of my counter from dyeing my hair, and no avail. There was no progress, no change after quite a few scrubs, letting it sit, walking away. So I had to read the label again, and it says it worked really good on chrome. So I went ahead and gave our faucet a shine with it. it does look nice on my faucet, but I thought, I'm gonna go get one of those Dollar Tree scrubbers. They are dupes for the Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy, and they come in a few different colors. I have quite a good stash. I pick them up at Dollar Tree all the time, and I use that to go in with the paste on the stain in my sink. And y'all, I'm a little underwhelmed. It cleaned my sink just fine if it was just a regular everyday cleaning, but I am not impressed with how it handled any kind of stains. So it's going to get a pass from me. I won't be picking it up just to shine my faucets. So now let's talk about floors. I love a good clean floor, but it's almost impossible to keep them clean, especially for me in the bathroom where you can lose hair as I do. So I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. They are just little dry floor wipes that you can use with something like a Swiffer. Mine is actually from Dollar Tree, and you guys, they do the best job at picking up hair. So if you've just lost a lot of hair or you're losing hair, these would be great to have on hand for quick cleanups. Now they also have a version that is a wet version. They come in a few different counts. There are a few different ones by Scrub Buddies to choose from, so always look at the count on the package. I found them anywhere from 10 count to 15 count to 20 count, so try and get as many as you can. Now these are great for quick cleanups when you don't feel like getting out the mop and bucket and doing a whole floor, and they do a great job at cleaning up. I like to use them together and get up all the hair first and then go in for a quick clean. And then I always reverse them and use the other side as well. Now let's talk about countertop cleaners. These are things that I love to have on hand in every bathroom for quick cleanups. Now I found some from Dollar General as well as some from Dollar Tree, and I'm giving them a try first on a waste bin from my bathroom. And I have to say the all clear version from Dollar Tree is quite damp. Left a little bit of a sudsy film, but they are great for a quick sink cleanup. I like to wipe my sink down before I actually clean it because my husband has a beard and sometimes there are trimmings to pick up and I don't want hair on all my scrubbers. I also keep a pack on the back of most of my commodes, and since we just cleaned up my wastebasket, I have to tell you one of the best kept secrets at Dollar Tree are these little liners for any little small wastebaskets. I like to keep a whole roll at the bottom of all of my waste bins in the bathrooms and bedrooms for easy switch out, so I'm not running around looking for a new liner. Now let's talk about the toilet, shall we? So they have a lot of toilet products at the Dollar Tree. I have found living in Texas, our water is hard, so I like to use the one by Limeaway. It works great. It cleans out any stains. And today I'm trying this scrub free. This is one of the aerosols that you can pick up at Dollar General. They have one similar to this at Dollar Tree that is purple. It goes on blue and then changes to white once it's done cleaning. I like to do this every now and then for a good deep clean. It definitely gives you that toxic fume that makes you feel like it's either killing your lungs or killing some germs, probably both at the same time. So definitely do this in a well ventilated surface area. Now I let it sit and simmer, as I say, and then I come back with a rag or paper towel. For toilets I use paper towels, and I clean all of the surfaces. Now bleach would probably do just as well, but I will continue to add this to my stash. It's something I like to have on hand for those deep cleans. Now if you're just looking for a quick cleanup, Dollar Tree sells this in a 10-pack. It is a toilet bowl cleaner, and they are like the little dishwasher pods that you can buy for your dishwasher. Thought this was really interesting, so we'd give it a try. So 10 come in a pack. It is literally just a little pod. You toss it in your toilet. It says to walk away, let it sit and simmer for about 5 minutes. It will dissolve and turn blue, and then you come in with your toilet brush and give your toilet a good scrubbing. The great part about this is that you can toss this in the toilet, work on another part of the bathroom, and come back and the work is done for you. I will continue to pick these up. I think that they are a good thing to add to your stash. Now I'm always looking for a quick and easy way to keep the bathrooms and toilets smelling fresh. So I picked up these Febreze by Clorox tabs. 3 come in a pack. You just take one, you toss it in your tank and let it do its business. Now, other than turning the toilet water blue, it did nothing. There was no fresh scent. I'll never buy them again. A definite pass. Now, something that I wanted to share with you guys is this totally awesome shower door glass cleaner. It is a dupe for a high-end brand by Purpose, I believe, and this is something I swear by. I have been using this along with a squeegee for our shower since we've moved here, which is almost 3 years, and I've never had to scrub our glass door. We are very faithful after each shower to go ahead and spray it and then squeegee it, and I think it looks amazing. I have not had any tough buildup since we've started using it. It's a definite add to your stash product. Now, speaking of the Totally Awesome brand, you can find their products at both Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and I wanted to give this cleaner a try. It is a Totally Awesome cleaner with bleach, and that's something I like to use in my shower from time to time if I get any mold and buildup. So I went ahead and gave a generous spray to the entire surface of our shower. Then I went in with a non-scratch scrubber. You can find these at both Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and these are also great on your grill. Now, after letting the product work for a few minutes, I did go in on some of the tough corners. The great thing about these is that you have any tile work, these have a nice little edge on them that will help you clean directly in any cracks or crevices, and it worked amazing for that. Next, I went in with my Dollar Tree broom and broom handle. This is something I've been doing since we've lived in this house. It is a great way to scrub my stone floor in the shower. Now, all in all, I'm going to give a total pass on the cleaner. I think it could have been any cleaner and I would have gotten the same result. I will give a definite stash to the scrubber and the broom. And speaking of scrubbers, you can find these all day long at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. They're just little handheld scrubbers, and they're things that I actually hang in my shower. Now, I just gotten a new one and I didn't leave the tag on because I love Mini Pearl. I'm telling you, these are a great thing to have in your shower when you are just noticing a little area that needs an extra amount of attention. Great thing to have in your stash. Now let's give this a try. It is a scrub-free toilet sanitizer and freshener. Now, I was seeing online how people were using these wrong, and I've seen these my entire life. You go to a restroom at a restaurant and you'll often find these. People usually dangle them from the outside of the toilet. I had seen online where people were using them and you were actually applying them wrong. You're supposed to stick them up here. Well, my toilet's missing a part or something. So I decided to actually dangle it from the inside of my tank, and that worked fabulously. Now, is this something I'm going to pick up regularly? Probably not. It's not something I'm going to add to my stash, and I would recommend you probably pass. Now let's give this scrub-free soft cream cleanser a try. This is probably a dupe for something like Soft Scrub, something I've used for years now. I'm going to tell you, I love the scent. This was a lemon scent. It smelled good right away, very fresh, and I am happy with how it cleaned. It was a whole lot better than the other sink that we already did with those other cleaners, and it's definitely something I'm going to be adding to my stash. Now let's give the Dollar General Super Erasers a try. Now again, there are always a few areas on my sinks I could do a little fine detailing, and I came back to that darn hair dye stain on my sink. I went ahead and gave this magic eraser a try. The stain has not budged. So then I thought, well, there's a little something over here. It actually did work on a few other parts of my countertop. And then I thought, I wonder how this would work on the wall. There's a few little marks in areas. I was not happy with how it worked on the wall. I think I might as well been scrubbing with a cloth. Definite pass. Now let's try this foaming garbage disposal cleaner. Now this is something that I've never tried. It says it has 4 uses. I think that this little bag is probably going to be more like 2. So I read the directions. You run water for a minute or 2, and then you decrease the stream to a pencil width stream and start your disposal and add the cleaner. So I added half the bag because I figured this is a pretty big sink and a big job. It was supposed to foam, and like it had all these warnings on the back about don't worry about it, let it foam, do its thing. So I thought, okay, let's add the whole bag. It did not foam once. Now it smelled fabulous. So if you want a fresh smell for a few minutes, go for it. Otherwise, I'd say complete pass. Don't waste your money. Now let's try this washing machine cleaner. I have never used something like this in our washer. It keeps pretty busy, and so far so good. No odd odors. Now this says you're supposed to go ahead and add it into any crevice in your washing machine. This did come with 4 packs in the box, so I thought that was a pretty nice little deal. It's probably mostly baking soda. You run it on high, hot, regular, and let it do its thing. I was in my laundry room cleaning, and I kept looking over and seeing it fill up with more and more suds. Now I think it did a good job. It's probably something I'll buy in the future, but not that often. Now last but not least, have you seen these toilet cleaning gel dispensers? I had to give them a try. They're multi-use, and all I'm gonna say is complete pass. It was hard to use and didn't deodorize. So when are you starting your spring cleaning? Be sure to comment down below and let me know your favorite products, and I'll see you back very soon.